And oh, she's heavy. Hold on. Whoa. So there is a reason that it says Team Lift on it. Hey there, my name is Rox, standing by RoxTalksShow. Welcome to my channel, where I show you all sorts of exciting things from Shark and Ninja. And the Crispi is near and dear to my heart. It always has been. So exciting to see Ninja expand the Crispi collection. That is what they've done right now with their Ninja Crispi Dual Zone. Now, if you love your Crispi like I do, I love that thing. Bacon was the first thing I ever made. No, the first thing I ever did in the Crispi was I re-crisped pizza, and I was blown away. It was better than a microwave, and it tasted really delicious. But 2 things later, I found myself just always reaching for the Crispi because it was easy. I went past my double oven, I went past the double stack air fryer, and I kept looking for the Crispi. Well, then bacon. Because bacon I love to make. I was doing it in the Ninja Sizzle. Before that, of course, doing it on the stove. Too much splatter. And I thought, let me just try bacon in the Crispi. I wonder if it would work. It was the best bacon I'd ever had in my life. And at that point, I was like, crisp on. And I've been talking to you all about the gospel of bacon in the Crispi and the gospel of the Crispi on TikTok. That was in February of 2025. So it's been a minute. Of course, then we had the Crispi Pro. Bigger, amazing, better, and more countertop. But now Ninja has done it up. Now I got to see this in person when I was at Ninja headquarters a couple months ago, but it's now officially here and I cannot wait to show it to you because it's the Ninja Dual Zone. And oh, she's heavy. Hold on. Whoa. So there is a reason that it says Team Lift on it. Oh, see if I can get it up. I didn't break a nail, that's nice. It's the Dual Zone. So with this, now you get all the good things about your glass air fryer, but you're gonna have 2 separate spots to use it. Of course, always with glass cooking, we have non-stick. More importantly, there's no PFAs. And it comes just like this. You're gonna have 2 containers. Now already y'all been asking me, hey Rox, with the new Crispi, will my old containers fit? I can almost assuredly say, I don't see that happening on this, but we'll test and see. So because they're slender, they're not as wide as your actual Crispi. I wonder though if the smaller one can. Maybe the 6-cup, TBD. The nice thing about these containers is that they'll withstand up to 450 degrees of temperature. That's hotter than your typical air fryer. And it also is amazing because it is glass. Yeah, that looks beautiful. I know, I'm excited about you. Hello, lover. So when you get it, clearly, as you can see, there's gonna be a lot of different pieces you're gonna have to take off because they do ship the glass actually inside the container. It's a little different than before. This is gonna be the moment of truth. If this has an extender right here, then no, I don't see one. So it does not look like you're gonna be able to use any other containers than the ones that come with it. I got it all there. Oh, yep, I love that click. And then of course, as always, you're gonna get the lids because you can store these in the fridge, the freezer. They're dishwasher safe as well too. It makes it easy to use. It says to remove, pull forward 45-degree angle. We'll try that in a second. Removal is, I guess, different than putting it on, putting it in. Okay. The containers are glass, you'll be okay. Get that off, nice and sealed. And then remove this tag before you use. You don't say. All right, so it's a self-aligning container. Slide the glassware in from the front until it locks, which is just like what we do with all the other Crispis. So it says self-aligning, just slide in. This is actually easier, I think, than the Crispi Pro. To take it out, it says pull it out using the front handle, pivot 45 degrees, then grab the rear. So this way, pivot, boom. Then you grab the rear, so you're not gonna burn yourself. We'll get sizes on those in just 1 second. All right, then of course, let me take this off and this. Okay, she's looking good. I got the stone because I just love the stone and it matches my aesthetic. Let's turn it on for the first time, shall we? Ready? So you can turn on 1, turn on 2. Ooh, you have zone 1 and zone 2. You can do smart finish, so everything ends at the same time, or you can do a match cook, so they're identical. So let me just turn it on like this. Looks like you can still do the temperature in the ranges, and it's going to, let's see, air fry, max, recrisp, bake, roast, and dehydrate. Can I change the temperature setting? I can, so it has the upgrade from the Crispi Pro, but you have match cook and you have the smart finish. Plus you can add just a minute to it. Ooh, this is nice. Let me get sizes on this. It is the 2 glass baskets. How big are you, basket? How big are you? Is it a secret? They're 2 4-quart glass baskets. So you can cook 2 foods in 2 ways. And then as always, you're gonna get your quick start guide, which I love because I love the recipes and I just love it. I love magazines, so this is all up my alley. It's like my magazine, it's like my highlights. But it'll show you how you can make 2 things at the same time. So now you're saving and cooking because you can get more done, which is awesome. Excited about that. Oh yeah, these are all the same thing, but they have all the recipes in there. And you can do your dual zone or your single zone. All right, stay tuned for more on this. I'll be getting some cooking done, show you around it. But until then, please like and subscribe. Y'all have been amazing. I did finally get to that number, yay, where I can show you links directly on YouTube. That happened this weekend, woo woo. So look out for this as well too. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Enjoy.